A mojito is such a refreshing summer drink. It's one of the best things to enjoy in the backyard or while you're camping. It's pretty easy to put together, and you can use pretty much anything as long as you've got lime, mint, a little sugar, and of course, the rum. I found some raspberries today. Those are gonna be really great with a little cucumber. And this is the fun part, juicing the raspberries and the cucumber and dissolving the sugar. And now for the rum. So I'm gonna also add a couple ribbons of cucumber and really punch out the colors. And a mojito isn't a mojito without a little fizz. This is looking really pretty. Of course, a little garnish. Smack it. That's how you make mint smell a little mintier. Cheers. Now that's refreshing.